Gotta put her back in there.
But it still scares me.
It still scares you?
Yeah. Will you put it back in there?
You want me to put her back in there?
Yeah. Will you help me?
Whoa, hey, don't grab onto me like that. You almost knocked me over.
Will you put me in back? Will you put her back in there, please?
Since you said please. Oh, don't pick your boogers. Hey, what are you supposed to do when you need to pick your boogers?
Your photo, please.
You go to the bathroom and you use what?
Toilet paper.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Since you said please and you asked nicely, I'll put her back in there for you, okay?
Thanks.
Oh, close her! Hurry up! She's trying to get out! Hurry, close her!
There.
Gotta get closer than that. She's not gonna come out if you don't get too far away. We'll put her back in there. No, I already put her back in there.
But I can't do
Come on,
it.
here, get off of me.
Please. Please, Daddy, please.
Oh, well, how can I say no to that? Well, what if she bites me?
She can't bite you.
Well, then you put her back in there.
I can't.
Hey, come here, I'm talking to you.
I can't, Daddy.
Why not?
Because it's so scary.
Oh, well, I'm scared of her too.
I can't do it.
Okay, well, here, come over here and help me.
Okay.
'Cause I'm scared too. We can do it together, okay?
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
You put her down. Put her down. Hurry, get her in there. Ah, hurry.
Yeah.
Look at that. Come on, get up there closer. Come here.
Hey, Daddy.
You want to do it to Savannah?
No.
Why not?
Because you're going to get scared.
Oh, okay. That thing is ugly and scary looking.